Sesame Workshop, digital well-being for younger learners.
Welcome back to Tech Tips with Cameron. Today we are looking at a new resource really designed for our students, kindergarten and grade 1. And it's all about continuing that conversation of cybersecurity and digital well-being. And what Sesame Workshop has done is created this incredible opportunity with a ton of resources that you can use to start talking to those younger students about what does it mean to consume media, and how does consuming media affect our feelings, both the good and the bad. So it's really, really well done. I'm impressed. It's got a lot of Sesame Street videos that we can talk, that you could share or showcase or learn from. But it also has a whole bunch of different options for ways that you can print out handouts and conversation starters that you could have with your students about, hey, what's some great ways to spend time with family, and talk about how media plays a role in that, or noticing how we feel when we've used too much media. There's a video, and then there's a worksheet or like coloring sheet, as well as for teachers or parents to as a handout to say, hey, here's some great ways to make mindful media choices. It continues on about whole body connections, making sure that we're talking about how do we talk to people on screens or in person. I really like this because it's teaching us about being digital well-being, but being good in all situations, being a kind person, whether that be online or in person. So it's just a really neat resource. And I think it would be really a nice way to start some conversations with our youngest students to continue that AI literacy, media literacy conversation. It even includes some of the initial conversations, so something you could share with parents to start talking about AI with students. If you click on it, it actually has a video that starts beginning the conversation with those youngest students about AI. It's going to have a major impact on them and their world, and this is a great, healthy way to start the conversation. Critical consideration. This is an American site designed around Sesame Street, Sesame Workshop. So we know it's good, but again, it's not a Canadian lens. So something to keep aware. Hope it helps. Bye-bye.